Let's talk about turning now. If you've had your right hip replaced, if you have a choice of turning, I would recommend turning to the left. That takes a lot of the pressure off of the right leg so that you can make a turn. If you're turning to the right, you're sort of leaning into the right leg, and it puts more pressure on the leg, and it's kind of hard to pivot on that sore leg. So if you have your choices, turn to the left if it's your right hip. If you've had your left hip done, if you have your choice, turn to your right. If you have no choice and it's still your right hip, then what you want to do is pick the right foot up first and turn it. Then turn the walker and go ahead and go into the movement. So again, if you don't have a choice and you need to turn to the right, pick the right foot up first, turn it, and then turn the walker into it and start the motion.